Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the chemical preparation of phosphine, and in that case we have also understood that is how basically the phosphine is obtained. And now in this particular topic we are going to talk about the chemical reactions of phosphine. So what are those reactions? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, in this topic let me talk about the chemical reactions of phosphine. So for that we have, that is the first one, that is reaction of phosphine with copper sulfate. So in this case basically copper sulfate, that is 3 moles of CuSO4 is treated with 2 moles of PH3 so as to obtain Cu3P2 along with that of 3 moles of H2SO4. So this Cu3P2 is known as copper phosphide. So this is what we can obtain copper phosphide whenever we react copper sulfate with phosphine. So therefore this is one of the reactions that is I have discussed about, and now let me talk about the next reaction. So friends, the next reaction is reaction of phosphine with mercury chloride. So therefore this is mercury chloride, that is 3 moles of HgCl2 whenever it has been reacted with, that is 2 moles of phosphine, that is PH3. So therefore the product that is what we could obtain is Hg3P2, that is known as a mercury phosphide along with that of 6 moles of HCl. So this is how basically we can prepare mercuric phosphide, and that's it. And now let's move to the next one. The next reaction is reaction with hydrogen bromide. That is whenever phosphine it is being reacted with HBr, so therefore it will produce PH4Br, that is phosphinium bromide. This is the reason that phosphine is acting like a base. The reason behind that is, if we talk about the structure of phosphine, then we'll get to know that is even the phosphorus will have lone pair of electron. And whenever this lone pair of electron is reacted with an acid, so therefore in this case HBr is acting like an acid, and this lone pair of electron is basically shared to this HBr. So this lone pair of electron, it will be attracted towards this HBr so as to form a salt, and during this combination basically we can have a salt. This clearly indicates that if HBr it is acting like an acid, then PH3, that is phosphine, it acts like a base, but it is not that much basic compared to that of NH3, but still this shows the property of phosphine that it is like a base. So this was the reaction. Now let us move on to the next one. The next reaction is reaction of phosphine with Cl2. In this case, phosphine, whenever it is reacted with Cl2, that is 4 moles of Cl2, it will produce PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride along with that of 3 moles of HCl. So this is a method where we can prepare phosphorus pentachloride. But talking about the reaction of phosphine with air, so it produces an explosive mixture whenever phosphine is reacted with air or whenever phosphine is reacted with oxygen. So talking about the other properties, that is phosphine gas, it gets easily adsorbed to the bleaching powder solution, and this is one of the property that is I have discussed over here. And talking about the next one, that is we can prepare phosphorus, we can prepare red phosphorus if we decompose phosphine at a temperature more than 600 Kelvin. So that is how basically we can produce hydrogen gas also along with that of red phosphorus. So that's where the reactions of phosphine, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.